A warm welcome to you all. Welcome back to Flavors with Opal. Hope you guys are fine. Today I'm going to do another video, and it's another Jamaican breakfast. And this is going to be Bammy, Jamaican Bammy. And basically that is made out of cassava. And this is some plantain, some ripe plantains that I've got in my fridge, and some green plantain. So I'll be using some Jamaican red herring. I'm not sure if it's Jamaican red herring, but it's red herring, and I washed it, and I'm gonna put it in the pot, so it's basically boiling, just to get some of the salt out of it, because it's quite salty, so you don't want to have that just as soon as you take it from the pack. So basically you have to wash it, and you have to put it in the water and get it to kind of wash off a bit, boil off a bit. So this is the Bammy. It's basically a Jamaican flatbread made out of cassava. So you have to grate the fresh cassava, juice it out, and then you have to use the trash to get hot. I'm also making some saltfish, which is basically salted cod. So whoever in my household don't want to have my red herring, my smoked red herring, don't have to have it, they can have this saltfish. So it's basically a varieties of Jamaican breakfast this morning. So I begin cutting my vegetables. So a part of my video, I'm making some Weetabix fried dumplings. So this is some self-raising flour, Weetabix, salt, plantain nicely cut, beautiful, green pressed fried plantain, and I'm gonna fry these ones as well. So with the Bammy, you can wet it with water. With your Bammy like that. Oh my god, this looks so great and smells so great. You flip it over like that and you fry it. Look at that. So what's going on, guys? Well, hope you all are doing good, and thanks for your subscription. It's a pleasure. See? Give that a stir. I'm gonna put a bit of water in it because we don't want too much oil. I'll come back to that. And then red herring. Season up your saltfish with black pepper. The same with your herring, black pepper, fish seasoning, and for me, I'm putting a little bit of all-purpose. You can put what you want, and that is it. So I'm boiling my rosemary tea and mint, and this is what I plant. So my beautiful people, here is the finishing touch of another one of my Jamaican breakfast. It's red herring, saltfish, Weetabix dumpling, Bammy, pressed fried plantain, ripe plantain, a bit of spinach, and a lovely cup of rosemary and mint tea. And I just want to say thank you all for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell. That's when your lady Opal posts a video, you would be the first to be notified. I just want to say thank you all, love you, a cup of tea, and chill.